Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you today. Let me introduce you the brand new 2026 AKIYO mini projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth function. It's an upgraded projector with 1080p support. Oh yeah, 360 rotating. It's a portable projector for home, for theater, and for outdoor use. It's compatible with the iOS devices, Android, and laptops, personal computers, PlayStation, and so on. This is the 2026 upgraded peer-to-peer connection method. iOS Android no longer needs to connect to the projector on the Wi-Fi environment. After the projector switches to the corresponding interface, the mobile phone can cast the screen with one click. Solve all connection problems caused by network interferences. Whether we are outside or traveling, we can enjoy a smooth viewing experience. This upgraded AKIYO mini projector adapts the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology. It supports dual-screen Wi-Fi connectivity and compatible with the Android with the Windows systems. Maximum transmission speed reached the 9.6 gigabit per second. This allowing us to enjoy a smooth, lag-free experience. It features a built-in Bluetooth chip and quick connect to wireless Bluetooth headphones or speakers. Bluetooth does not support connection to smartphones, of course. This AKIYO 2026 updated mini Wi-Fi projector supports full HD definition images and superb color brightness and provides by the two-handed ANSI brightness and a 2000:1 contrast ratio. This giving us the greatest video experience. The mini projector will work better in dark environments as well. The upgraded projector features a 360 degrees rotating stand. This breaking through the limitations of traditional projector positions. The rotating stand allows us to project our image onto wall, ceiling, or even a drawing table. The projector is equipped with a plus-minus 50 degrees electronic vertical keystone correction function. We just click the keystone correction button on the remote control to easily get a perfect rectangular image in seconds. The size of this mini projector is 5.35 to 4.33 to 0.28 inches, which is the size of 2 Coke cans. It's small enough to fit in our pocket or bag. The projector weighs only 420 grams, making it easy for even a small child to hold. The elegant design makes it ideal for a gift giving, of course. And you can make it smart. Connect your smartphone or your PlayStation with that, and you can use Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney, and so on with it. No problem. Multiple input sources interfaces meets our diverse equipment needs. HDMI, USB, and a 3.5mm audio output jack. It is compatible with personal computer, Fire Stick, PlayStation, multi-device connection. One-click connection can easily meet our daily needs, of course. We will have here the latest and brand new AKIYO Bluetooth mini projector from 2026. This is the updated version of it with 1080p support and 360 degrees rotating possibility. Portable projector. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!